Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1965 Buick Electra 225. Love this car, man. This is right up my alley. I'm a Cadillac guy. I love these big cars. I love the way they drive. They just kind of float down the road. I love the look. This car's got air ride suspension, which is super cool. Really neat color. It's called Black Pearl. Heavy metallic in it. How do you describe it? Kind of like a steel color, maybe, with a little bit of a hint of blue. Pretty color. Very nice chrome and stainless on this car. Original 401 Nailhead in it with air. Texas car. I actually bought it from a great customer of mine, Terry. He's one of those guys that buys them and sells them about as fast as I do. So he's a car lover, man. He's always got something new. But you can see the chrome and stainless is, that's just somebody's fingerprint there. Chrome and stainless is really nice on the car. Paint slick. That's just somebody got a little overzealous with some wax. Car's got the original T3 headlights on it. Again, chrome, which is critical on these cars. Very nice. Very, very nice. Slick paint. It's just a little wax, guys. It's got like a hard shell wax on it. Drives out good. Glass is very nice on the car. He said the car was actually restored in 2017. And he said it's only got about 1,000 miles on it since it's been restored. Car's always been a Texas car. That's where actually I bought it from Terry down there. I love the dual antennas. I just like all the little, you know, the body seams on these cars. I just love the way they look. Again, I love the big cars. Kind of zoom in and give you a good look at that paint in the sun. I don't know how to describe it. A little steel blue. Pretty car though. Killer body lines on these cars though. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got American Racing torque thrusts on it. Again, it's got air ride. We've got it a little lower. I like the low look. Good sounding Magnaflow dual exhaust system on it. Again, that's just a little wax on there, guys. Those are chrome torque thrust. Of course, you can see it's got the factory fender skirts on it. It's got the factory big Buick drums on it. It's got all 4-corner coil-over shocks on it with the air ride. Again, original Buick, they call it a Wildcat 445, which is a 401 Nailhead. You can see it's got aftermarket AC, stock air cleaner with a finned aluminum valve covers. So that is the matching numbers engine too. It's got ceramic headers on it, 400 turbohydramatic trans, power steering, power brakes. Detailed up really nice underneath the hood. That's a good looking car right there. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of us. Check out our social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. great way to keep track of us. We're getting ready to launch a new website, which is gonna, I think, allow people to, sorry, a little dust on the windshield, you can see it. We're hoping that we can kind of get a login for that, where you can just kind of, every time I post a new car, you can get a notification. We're working on that right now. So watch out for the new website coming. Look how nice that 8-pillar chrome is. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, just a little, that's just wax. So we got a little overzealous with that wax. It's got a custom cloth insert in the interior. Looks like new carpet. Is that a split bench? Yeah. Headliner's nice. Of course, it's got that billet and leather wrap steering wheel. 22,430. I love the dash on these cars, man. They are just artwork. It's got the Delco radio in it. Your AC is down below. That's how you click your AC on, is down below. Even like say the little dash light works. Seats are really nice. They've been all redone. It's got the original Fischer Body seat belts in there. Again, good sounding Magnaflow dual exhaust. Got the factory rear end with the 4-link coil-overs in the rear. This is all finished in the trunk. There's your air ride set up. Jack with spare is in here. Car's clean underneath. I didn't see where they've changed any body panels, so good car. Sorry, I got gloves on today. My hands are freezing. Sound, it's got good sound to it. Floors are nice and clean. Door seams are clean, so it's got the little Buick insignia on the bottom there. Good car, man. Fun car to drive, I'll tell you that. It's got the wood grain dash. Gauges are beautiful on the car. Again, really nice 8-pillar chrome. Air blow stone. Good car right here, man. Someone's gonna get a great summer cruiser right here. You know what I love about stuff like this? You go to a car show, nobody's parked next to you with one. I mean, it's just unique stuff. Fuel gauge works. I don't think the clock's working. That's really all there is for gauges. Oh, there's your air ride down below. Raise that up and down a little bit. That's good. Car right there. Turn the radio on. Does the radio work?
I can get it to
Can you get it to come on? Okay. Lower motor all works. Actually, both of these function here. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers work. It's got all the original 2.3 headlights in it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Oh, you know what I will tell you? The little cold light on the dash and everything works when you first start it up too.